Hey there, this is Nick at DuraLabel, and in this video we're going to be unboxing our DuraLabel Bronco Max industrial sign and label print system. To begin, we're just going to cut it open using a box knife and going at the top of the box. Cut open the sides. And with our box fully open, you'll see that it comes with a quick start guide, which will give you a list of what is included in the box, along with the setup instructions for your print system. So we're going to put this over to the side. It also comes with the accessories in here, which we'll go over later. And we'll get this out of the way. And now we'll go ahead and take the printer out of the box. Put this over to the right. And we'll get the box out of the way, but we'll keep that for later. With the printer well protected by the foam, please make sure to keep the foam as well as the box that it came in. That way, if you do need to ship this back for any reason, it can protect it against any unexpected shipping issues. Now that we have the Bronco Max out, we'll go ahead and remove the foam from both sides. We're going to take the foam and put it back into the box. And then we'll remove the Bronco Max from its bag. And here's your Bronco Max. The Bronco Max uses thermal transfer printing to create long-lasting and durable labels that won't fade over time. The heat from thermal transfer printing creates a permanent print on your sign that can last up to 10 years and resist damage from chemicals, water, and UV light. Next, we're going to get the accessories out of the box and lay everything out here on the table. With all the accessories for your Bronco Max unpacked, I'll quickly go over what comes included with your printer. First, you'll have your quick start guide, which walks you through the basic setup, security changes, and getting started in LabelForge PRO. You'll also have a power cord and an AC adapter for connecting power to the print system, along with a USB cable for connecting the Bronco Max directly to your PC. You'll get a USB flash drive, which includes LabelForge PRO, print drivers, and the user manual, so you can install the software and start designing labels from your computer. For loading supplies, you'll have a notch supply spindle and supply wings, which help you hold your label supplies securely in place during printing. You'll also get a label scraper, which is helpful for removing old labels before applying new ones, and also cleaning swabs for routine printer maintenance. Everything you need to get set up and ready for your first print. Now that we have everything unpackaged and I've gone through all the accessories, I'm going to show you how to load the print system, get the Bronco Max connected to your PC, and then create and print your first label using LabelForge PRO, DuraLabel's free sign label design software. And next I'll be showing you how to load your Bronco Max industrial sign label print system. To begin loading the printer, I'm going to lift this lid back, and then I'm going to remove our QA prints that are located in the supply well of the printer. I'm going to grab the vinyl supply box. I'm going to take that out. We're going to feed the spindle through the middle and place this into the supply well. And I'll put down the cutter so you can see me pull the vinyl supply forward. We have two guides right here so you can lock in place your vinyl supply. So I will do that. Go through, make sure that's there, and make sure that it's on the platen roller itself. With the supply fully loaded, I'll put the cutter back up and we'll go ahead and start loading the premium black ribbon. We'll start by getting the black ribbon opened. We'll remove the top, grab that. Make sure that you have the sticker with the smart tag facing the printer in while you load it. So slide in like so, lock it, and close your lid. Now that we have the Bronco Max loaded with premium vinyl supply and premium black ribbon, we are now going to connect our Bronco Max to a PC and get our first label designed and printed using LabelForge PRO. You'll just need a few things to get started. First, we'll use our power supply. Secondly, we'll use our USB connection so we can hook up our Bronco Max to the PC. And lastly, we'll be using the USB drive that comes with the Bronco Max. This is our PC driver information and the LabelForge PRO software that we'll be installing. And of course, you're going to need your Bronco Max industrial sign label print system along with your PC to get the process started. Start by connecting the power supply for the Bronco Max into an outlet near you, and make sure that the arrow is facing up when plugging in the connection to your Bronco Max. Next, we're going to press the power button on the back right of the printer. When the printer powers on, the light on the front will turn green. Next, we'll plug in our USB cord that's going to help us connect the Bronco Max to the PC. And now we'll take the PC network cord for the printer and plug it in to the left of the power supply port. And now we'll take the other end of the USB and plug it into the PC dock. Now insert your provided USB drive into an available USB slot for your PC. Now with Bronco Max connected to the PC along with the USB drive provided connected to the PC, you're going to go over to your File Explorer. Make sure that you go down to your USB drive. This one is called LF Pro. So you're going to click on that, and then you'll see a LabelForge PRO setup file within your USB drive, and then we're going to double click that. Then the user license agreement prompt pops up. Make sure to read this. To save time, I'm just going to hit accept and then hit next, and then I'm going to hit install. After installing LabelForge PRO software, a prompt will come up asking if you'd like to restart your computer or not. It defaults to no, but I'm going to hit yes so our computer registers and loads those system changes correctly. Then I'm going to hit finish. You can also search for LabelForge PRO in your taskbar below. You're going to click on that, and now you're in LabelForge PRO, DuraLabel's free sign label design software. You're going to see that you have the icon on your taskbar for LabelForge PRO. If you're going to be using this often, you might as well just pin it. I'm going to minimize our LabelForge PRO window as of right now because we're going to be hopping between the PC settings and the LabelForge PRO application. Now we're going to have to go over to our system settings. You can type this in on the search bar within your taskbar, but I have the system settings pinned to my taskbar already, so I'm going to click on that. Now within your Windows and PC settings, we're going to go over to Bluetooth and devices. Then we're going to go over to printers and scanners. You'll see that we have our DuraLabel Bronco Max here. If you do not see this here, please make sure to restart your PC or restart your print system. Now we're going to click on the DuraLabel Bronco Max. We're going to go over to printer properties. We're going to want to go over to the security tab next. And then we're going to go over to groups and usernames. We're going to click on everyone. And under there, we're going to see our permissions for everyone. You're going to want to make sure under the Allow section that you have checked on Print, Manage this printer, and Manage Documents. So I'm going to click on Manage Documents since I have the others checked. And then you're just going to simply hit Apply, and then OK. Then we're going to close out of our Windows PC settings. After changing our printer's security settings, we're now back in LabelForge PRO. We're going to go over to the printer icon down here, and then you'll see that we have to install an update for the Bronco Max. So we're going to hit Install Update. It's going to take your printer offline for a second. And after the update is successfully installed, we're going to restart our printer. So click on the power button for your printer, then hit it again. It's going to take a little bit till it turns back on. And now since you've restarted your Bronco Max, you'll see that you are on the current version of LabelForge PRO. We're going to exit out of this area. And now we're ready to design and print our first label inside LabelForge PRO using our Premade Sign Library. And this is our Premade Sign Library. We have 3,000 plus pre-made templates for you to choose from, so you can design and print signs and labels within seconds. We're going to go over to the search bar and we're going to type in forklift. Hit enter, and then we're going to go over to this caution forklift traffic sign. And then we're going to hit open. And now with our caution label loaded up, we're not going to change anything. It's ready to go as is. So we're going to click on the printer icon. And after you've hit the print icon, you're going to go over to the printer category up at the top and make sure that you have DuraLabel Bronco Max selected. And then after that, you're going to simply just go over and hit print. And there you go, you've created and printed your first label inside a LabelForge PRO using your Bronco Max on the PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions about DuraLabel Bronco Max Industrial Sign Label Print System, please refer to the user guide, visit our product knowledge base, or contact a support specialist at duralabel.com. See you in the next video.